the Nature Guy. And as they say, April showers bring May flowers. And boy, has it rained a lot this April. Let's see what flowers we can find. Roses are red, violets are blue. Actually, they both come in a variety of different colors. Here is a white rose. These are snapdragons. Aren't they beautiful? Why don't you see if you can find out why they call them snapdragons? These are May apples. They call them May apples because they open in May. May apples are a plant that Native Americans use for medicinal purposes. They are pollinated by queen bumblebees. Box turtles eat the seeds or apples and help spread them. These irises are descendants of irises that came from Denmark and have been in our family for over 150 years. This is another type of iris, but these are found in swamps. Ours are in our pond. This is money plant. Why do you think they call it money plant? Alliums are closely related to a plant we eat, onions. Alliums can be eaten, but most people prefer to use them for decoration because they are so pretty. This is Philadelphia fleabane. They used it in the old days in beds and kennels because fleas don't like the smell of it. This is sage. There's an old Scottish saying that says, "He who would live for aye," which means forever, should eat sage in May. This is a peony. Isn't it beautiful? When I was a kid, I used to see these and ants would crawl all around them, and I thought maybe the ants are helping the bud open. But no, they were there to get the sweet nectar that comes out of them. Comfrey is an herb that can be used for a variety of medicinal purposes. Let's see how many you can find. These are buttercups, and they say take a buttercup and put it under your chin, and if your chin turns yellow, then you like butter. Well, maybe you'll have better luck. Anyway, there's a lot of really cool science about this. Why don't you look it up and see what you can find? We'll see more flowers in June. Until next time, I'm Scott, the Nature Guy.